What's up, guys? Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Vivo sub-brand iQOO has released new smartphone iQOO New 9s Pro Plus. The new handset is packed with outstanding specifications. The iQOO Neo 9s Pro Plus will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 3.3 GHz octa-core processor and GPU of Adreno 750. The RAM is 12 GB and the internal storage is 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. This is enough storage to provide home for the large files that a user wants to store on the smartphone. The iQOO Neo 9s Pro Plus will be packed with in-display fingerprint reader to secure the data on the handset. iQOO Neo 9s Pro Plus is equipped with LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 1400 nits peak brightness and size is 6.78 inches. Resolution will be 1260 by 2800 pixels and 144 Hz refresh rate. The latest operating system Android 14 will be running the phone. On the back, the smartphone will be packed with a dual camera setup. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and second will be 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash. The front camera will be 16 megapixel. The smartphone is fueled with a powerful battery of 5500 mAh capacity, which will carry support for 120 watt super fast charging. That's all for now and thanks for watching.